Today I'm going to the Great Wall with my motorcycle KTM 200. I don't think I have enough oil. I have to go to a gas station. Today the price is around 7 yuan per liter. It's almost $1. In Beijing and some other cities in China, for motorbikers, due to the security policy, you have to show them the driving license. As our great leader, Chairman Mao says, he who has never been to the Great Wall is never a true man. Today is okay. There is not a lot of people here, but in China's national holidays, there will be millions of people. Always security check. The earliest Great Wall was built in Qing Dynasty, which is around 2 century to 1 century BCE, to prevent the enemy from the north. Today's Great Wall was built in Ming Dynasty. It's around 14th century. Ticket for adults is 40 yuan per person. It's around $7. We can see 3 beacon towers over there, but actually there are many of them. It's like a small platform. It works as the signal tower. When the enemy comes, the soldier in the beacon tower, they burn the waste of the wolves, and then the other beacon towers, they can see it, and all of them know the enemy is coming. In Ming Dynasty, the soldiers use the cannon to fight against the enemy. Today is 17th in October. The temperature is still okay, but it's not clear today. But I think in winter here will be very windy. When you pass the ticket control of the Great Wall, after several steps, you have 2 directions to go. One direction is here, and one direction is here. And I thought most people, they choose to go to the right. Also, you can enjoy the Great Wall with the cable cars. It will be much easier. The Great Wall I am climbing is called Badaling Great Wall. The literally, it's a small part of Great Wall, locating on the Bada Mountain. Actually, the Great Wall stretches from the east to the west in the north part of China, with a length more than 8,000 kilometers. It was built to prevent the enemy from today's Mongolia and the Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region of China. Today in China, to some degree, if people mention the Great Wall, it refers to the Badaling Great Wall. But why? We have more than 8,000 kilometers Great Wall today in China. In the 70s of last century, with the background of the Cold War, the American former President Nixon paid his visit to China, and at that time, the Great Wall in this part is called Badaling part. It is the most well preserved, and also is near to Beijing city. Here is almost 70 kilometers to Forbidden City. I can hear the different dialects from all over China. What a huge domestic traveling market in China. This is a beacon tower. Let's go inside.